Mahal ko, malapit na magdalawang taon ang pagsasama natin bilang tayo. At sa panahong lumipas, marami na tayong napagdaanan. Nagsimula pa lang tayo, nilaban natin agad ang distansya. At sa mga sumunod na buwan, ang pagsimula ng karera. At sabay pa nito ang pagplano ng kasal na aminadong napakalayo para sa atin, sa ating mga pamilya at sa ating mga bisita.
Excited pero kinakabahan konti. Pero masaya kasi ilang months na namin to inisip at pinagplanuhan. Lapit na tayo magpakasal. Ito ka lang. I love you so much. Can't wait.
I'd love to figure love out with you.
My love, even now, it still feels so surreal to me, standing here beside you, saying vows to the best partner I could ever ask for in this lifetime. Thank you for being my best friend, my travel buddy, my best cook, and my prayer partner.
It's the pact that we make to be safe and secure, a shelter that's sure. Count on me on a rainy day. It's a choice that we make.
So be content with one another, and do not forsake one another, because the Lord Jesus Christ will never forsake you. And finally, your marriage must also be focused on elevating your great bridegroom. Yep, you heard that right. The bridegroom is the focus of this wedding. It is Jesus Christ, and he must be placed at the center of your marriage.
Love is all these and more. Love is all these and more. Love is all these and more. Love is all these and more.
This is the point. Because your wedding and your marriage to each other finds its true meaning and purpose when you delight in the coming of the bridegroom in it. It is all about the bridegroom. When you're longing for him, when you are seeking him together, he is the most important part of your marriage. Clarence and DJ.
Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
Pero heto na tayo. O diba, nagawa natin ng paraan. Ang dating nakahiwalay na daan sa buhay ay naidugtong. Lumipat ka sa Cebu, natuto kang magbisaya. At kahit wala kang kakilala doon, sinimulan mong maghanap buhay. Samantala ako, simpleng umiibig at chill lang. Ang swerte ko talaga masyado sa iyo.
My parents taught me to be strong and to stand on my own. But the moment you entered my life, I discovered what it truly meant to feel deeply loved and cared for.
Sa ating paglalakbay,
Sa bawat daang tatahakin, hatid man o sundo, sa paliparan, trabaho o tahanan, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin, pupuntahan at babalikan.
pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin.
Sa bawat tagumpay mo, magiging masaya ako at magpapasalamat sa may kapal. At sa bawat pagkabigo, hahawakan ko ang iyong kamay. Sabay tayong magluluksa, pero magpapasalamat pa rin.
Babalik sa simula.
Pero sa totoo lang, mula noon hanggang ngayon, patuloy kong sa iyo natutuklasan ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon. At sa grasyang ito, ako ay higit ng nagpapasalamat sa Kanya. Pero mas mahalaga pa doon, layunin kong habang buhay alagaan ang biyayang ikaw.
Yakap ko'y silungan. Balikan ating dahil.
You are truly my life's greatest plot twist, my miracle, and now you are my hope.
Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang
Thank you for this kind of love. I didn't even know to ask God for. Mabaw lang luha ko. Receiving something as beautiful as this reminds me that the Lord truly knows what's best for us and that He remains endlessly gracious.
sa simula, kung maliligaw, ikaw ang linaw, di ka bibitawan.
Kung pagpalain tayo ng Diyos na magkakaroon ng anak, pinulong pala ng lola mo sa akin kagabi na gusto niya na 7. Pangako kong mahalin ka at mahalin sila, alagaan ka at alagaan sila, pipiliin ka at pipiliin sila.
Clarence, I promise to love you with all my heart through every season in your life. No matter where life leads us or what the Lord calls us to do, I will walk beside you, choosing you every single day.
Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanda,
Mahinumduman ni mo unta nga, bisan unsa pa'y mahitabo. Himuhara ako kanunay. Ano man ang mangyari, sana lagi mong tatandaan na ako ay sa'yo palagi. I love you so much.
tayo ay babalik, babalik. Tayo ay
DJ, mahal na mahal kita at mula ngayon hanggang sa araw na wala na tayo sa mundong ito, pipiliin kong magmahal at magmahal pa rin at sisikapin kong mabuti na palagi mo yang alam at palagi mo yang ramdam. I love you.
Now present to you Clarence and DJ, our husband and wife.